What's up, guys? So this one's going to be about buyer's remorse. This is something we get from time to time. One time, me and my lady went to go just look at an RV, and we ended up buying a RV. Getting home, and I had buyer's remorse like you don't have any idea. I couldn't sleep. Woke up so stressed. Realized the RV we bought wouldn't even fit in my driveway. So I convinced these people to go ahead and refund my money, even though I signed the thing saying I couldn't change my mind. But I convinced them, right? So it happened. So buyer's remorse is a huge thing. And then if you're starting out in this business or any business and you actually make a leap and you purchase some equipment that may cost a little pricey, and after you purchase it, you have a situation like I did. You can't sleep. You wake up saying, "What did I do?" You panic. So recently, a student, and I know this because he emailed me a few times, and just stressed out. I mean, 2 days later, he's stressed out. He's wanting to return his equipment. And I don't know if he's going to do it or not, and I hope he didn't. But that's the thing, guys. That's going to happen if you didn't do what I told you to do. And what do I tell everybody to do? I'm not lecturing anybody, but I stand behind my word. Educate yourself first, prepare yourself, build your business, learn how to get that phone to ring, then buy your equipment, right? Maybe you already know how to do some of that stuff, right? How to build your business properly and how to get that phone to ring. And then you go ahead and purchase it. But guys, I built this course for a reason. Number one, like my view? You're never gonna get to this point where I'm at here in my office here overlooking LA. If you give up as soon as it starts. This is not my office, but you get my point. If you quit as soon as you start, you never see anything. I'm at the Universal Studio Hotel right here. We're hanging out at the Universal Studios in City this week, so for a couple days, our little mini vacation. So I have a course, and I built that because I realize how valuable that thing is, because so many people start a business and what they do is they just go out and buy a bunch of equipment, and they think that they got a business now. That's not how it works. Most of the time, those people are going to fail, and I've done it in the past, right? So I realize building the business is the most important thing, right? Educating yourself, building your business, prepare. So when that phone rings, you are ready, okay? And you know how to make that phone ring. So you go buy all this equipment. You realize you don't have a website. You're not on Google My Business. All you got is a bunch of cards and equipment. Yeah, I'd be stressed out too. I know I push people to make that first step, but take it wisely. The course costs you $3.99. That's going to save you so much money in the long run, because I'm teaching you everything you need to know. And plus, I'm teaching you how to not make mistakes that most people make in that course. So once you finish that course, or you get most of the way through that course to where you know how to get that phone to ring now, and you actually tested it out. So get the phone to ring. Just don't take the appointment. Say you're booked up. Now you know it works. Now go ahead and spend the money. All right? If you go out and spend Say you went out and spent $20,000 on a truck. Now, I'm not saying to do that, but say you did. That payment's going to be around $400, maybe $500 a month. People immediately they're going to be $500 a month. Oh wow! Oh wow! That's too much, guys. That's only 1 to 2 jobs a month. So you only have to work two jobs a month, 1 day. Book both those, 1 day to make that payment. All the rest is profit. Okay, so moral of the story: if you're not prepared and if you don't know how to get that phone ringing yet, yeah, don't go out and spend a bunch of money. Okay, it's just going to be decorations. All right, so that's it for this one. Me and Brenda, we're going to enjoy our weekend, because we're forcing ourselves to do a lot more of this type of stuff because growing up I didn't do hardly any because I was poor, I was broke. Now I'm living a little more comfortable life, and sometimes I'm still a little iffy about spending stuff, but you gotta spend a little, and we can do it. So we're gonna do it. See you in the next one.